A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the foot. Foot is the cornerstone that supports the human body. Proof of lots of evidence. If the feet are dysfunctional, the whole body will have a chain reaction, which will affect human health. In the whole world, 25% of people are suffering from podiatric diseases. In China, the foot health rate of children is less than 30%. Foot health problems have become an inevitable social problem. iSUN3D customized insole system has created a new model. The system integrates evaluationing, scanning, designing, printing, processing functions in one. Quickly conduct dynamic evaluation and analysis through the baropodometric platform. Then, 3D foot scan. Automatically calculate dozens of key foot data. Create a complete 3D model in 5 seconds. System built-in professional design software. It gathers the technology and experience of many international authoritative experts in the field of CAD, CAM, and orthosis design. Relying on the evaluation and design of professional orthopedists, we design the most suitable insole for the customer's foot shape. Realize the customized design of automatic analyzed data, humanized design, and professional foot orthopedic diagnosis. With the help of Dual Station's high-speed flexible 3D printers, bio-based thermoplastic polyurethane elastomer materials are used for printing. Dual Stations can print 2 insoles independently at the same time. Finally, stick the top cover. It only takes 30 to 50 minutes. Customers can get the environmentally friendly and more comfortable orthopedic insoles. iSUN3D customized insole for proper arch support. Half sole fit and U-shaped heel protection. Achieve a perfect plantar pressure distribution. The arch of the foot forms a fulcrum. Disperse foot pressure. Disperse the body's load on the feet. Can effectively correct bone deformities of the feet. Form a protective effect on the feet. Unique customized design is more suitable for teenagers and children, chronic disease groups, sports groups, or people who need to stand a long time for work, walk, and have significant foot diseases. The iSUN3D customized insoles design fits the feet and it's good for health. Hollow structure, light and breathable. The material is environmentally friendly, antibacterial, and deodorant, which all explain the trend of customization. iSUN3D customized insoles are scientifically customized for you to make your life better.